Let me show you how I recreated these Pinterest nails without any extensions. These are my real nails. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I'm just gonna do my natural nails. I'm not gonna add any extensions, any gel-X nails, just my own nails. This is how they look like, and I think I'm gonna file them a tiny bit more. So I'm going for like a natural medium almond shape. So I'm mainly concentrating on the edges of my nails, not taking anything off the length. Okay, so now I'm happy with the shape. I will start preparing my nails for the gel application, but first I made myself some matcha. Like, I literally have to remind myself to eat and drink while I'm doing my nails. Sometimes I feel like I'm in my own world and I forget everything when I'm doing my nails, so yeah. Yum, it's really nice. Cheers. Let's continue the nails. Okay, so the next step for nail prep is this cuticle remover gel. This is from handson. I will link everything I'm using down below as well for you, so it's easier to see whatever I'm using. I let this usually soak in for like 2 minutes, just to make sure it really is worked in my cuticles, to soften them and make it easy to push them back, because this shouldn't hurt, so it should really go effortlessly. And then with this cuticle pusher from Tweezerman, I use this side to push back my cuticles. And it's just very easy. It should go in a natural way, just pushing back. And whatever dirt you see, you can just wipe off like that and continue. And I do take my time with my right hand because I'm not left-handed, so it's easier to injure myself if I'm not careful. So I really take it slow when I'm doing this hand. Okay, so that's all done. I'm gonna take some nail cleanser. This one is from Pink Gelac. Clean my nails really well. Okay, so now I'm ready for the gel-Lock, and before I start, I go ahead and put on those nail gloves. And additional to those, I also put some sunscreen already. I feel like this just protects you as much as possible from the lamp lights. Okay, so first I'm gonna be using the pH bond. This will make sure that your nails are really getting rid of any oils that might come in between the gel and your nails, which we don't want. So this just dehydrates everything. And sometimes it's also called a dehydrator. And then from the same brand, Gelish, I like to take the tip primer. This one is to make sure whatever you do with your nails or whatever you put on it after this step will really stick on your nails. It gives this rough, kind of tacky feeling. Some girls like to take off the shine from their natural nails with a filer, and I really don't like that because it will just weaken my nails and that's not my vibe. Even though I do so much with my nails, they are very strong, and that's literally because I don't file them at all. Okay, so now for my base coat, I'm gonna go in with a clear builder gel. This is also soakable. That's why I like the one from Pink Gelac. Because I'm really new to this, I just like to start with a thin coat first, and I will be flash curing that. And generally speaking, like I told you guys, I feel like my nails are very healthy already, so I don't feel like I need so much. So I'm just gonna be minimal. I'm gonna flash cure this first. Now I have applied a thin layer, so now I can go ahead and build up to that. And what this does is, instead of having really flat nails, it will just shape your nails. The thing that I really like about this is that you can just flip your hands like that and it will just create the shape in a natural way, because it will really pull everything down and it will make it very even. Before I cure, I will do this for like 2 minutes. I check and see if I like it. And if you feel like you need more control, you can just go with a clean thin brush. Help the product spread a little bit more to whichever side you want, of course. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna cure this again. Okay, so I'm happy with how it looks like. Very natural and soft. I'm gonna go in with my first shade. This is the Ballerina Pink from Pink Gelac. It's my favorite. Just look at the color. How pretty. It has like the softest kind of pink and it just looks so natural. Okay, so now I'm gonna cure it. for the design, I'm gonna be using those mini gel colors. I got those from Shir. I will link them down below, of course. They were very, very affordable. They're really mini. It's just so cute. But I just need it for the tips anyway. I'm gonna do some French tips and maybe add some flowers as well. Because I don't like those brushes that I have. I just feel like I don't have control on them as much. I like to just go ahead and get one of those because those bristles and brushes are really, really good. I'm just gonna take the one I always use, which is number 15. It's a white one. So what I do is I will just wipe this off just like that, and I will use it for my nail art. Can do it with any color because I'm just not gonna re-dip in the original bottle. But if you guys have any good brushes, please recommend those to me. I would love to have some really good brushes, but for the meantime, I'm just gonna do it this way. This is the first time actually I'm doing French tips on my natural nails, because usually when I take a break from my gel X nails, I just paint my nails just one color because I can't be bothered. But this time I thought I'm just gonna like put the effort and do a little design on my natural nails. Okay, so that's the first one done. I'm gonna wipe off the color and move on to the next. I'm gonna use the pink one. Okay, this looks so cute. I'm gonna cure this now. Okay, now for the flowers, I'm gonna be using a dotting tool and some white gel. I'm actually gonna quickly flash cure because I feel like otherwise it will just slide away. So now everything is done. I'm gonna top it up with this top coat from Sky. This is the non-wipe top coat. It's my favorite because it's so easy to use. You just cure it and go. Like, you don't need to wipe anything off. There's literally no stickiness. It's really nice and it leaves my nails very shiny as well. Just gonna cure for the last time now and then I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna do my other hand off camera and then I'm gonna show you the final result. Okay, I'm officially done now. This side is always so much quicker for some reason, but yeah, the last step is gonna be some cuticle oil. Just gonna do that now and show you my nails. This is my favorite part. And the cuticle oil I'm using here is also from Sky, the lavender scent. I absolutely love it. It's running low, so I will have to get new ones. But look at my nails. I absolutely love them. They look so pretty, so summery. This is actually also the first time for me doing my nails like this, taking the time and effort to really do a little cute design even without any like extensions. I hope you enjoyed and loved this video. If you want more of these or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to help you out with your nail journey as well. It's way cheaper to do this at home and I'm sure you can do this. Okay, I will see you in my next video.